I recommend applying a 40% urea cream to your feet in the evening, wrapping your feet with saran wrap and placing socks on, and letting the urea break down the thickness of the skin overnight. It'll facilitate exfoliation of that thickened, painful, calloused skin with use of a pumice stone. In the morning, you could soak your feet in a basin with lukewarm water and Epsom salt and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you could exfoliate using the pumice stone. Once you're done removing the thickened, dry, painful, calloused skin, you could then hydrate the skin with a cream such as Eucerin Advanced Foot Repair Cream. And obviously, this will require some maintenance, so this is something that you could do regularly, and this will help minimize the accumulation of that thickened, painful skin and keep your feet nice, soft, and supple.